We're sitting here at RedBud, probably one of the most iconic outdoor national tracks in the United States that we have. And we're also here for Yamaha and bLUcRU, and to race this event, to participate in this event, to come hang out with us and eat dinner and just have a great weekend, you have to be riding something blue.
It's bringing all Yamaha riders together to have a fun, relaxed event, hanging out with their fellow Yamaha enthusiasts. We're on a 30-class event, 3-moto format. And yeah, people are just out here having a good time on their Yamahas, and you know, it's great to see a gate full of blue.
You got families, people camping, and we're just all having a good time. You know, we're able to do a ride day on Friday, get a little more personal touch with all the individual riders, and yeah, it's just a great small community type of an event.
Just the last few years that we've been working with these kids, you've got to see progression with them, because we've got to see them, you know, 2 years ago or a year ago and now again. So it's cool to work with them, help them, you know, hopefully they pick up something from it, but then also to go out and ride with them. You know, to me, it's a cool part of the event.
We actually took our off-road demo program, brought it in-house this year. So we have a full lineup of our off-road bikes down there, from your TTR 50s all the way up to 450Fs. So that's open to the public. Anybody in the local community can come down and test out a bike, just spend some time on, you know, a bike that they might be looking to purchase in the future, you know, try out the new model year. And then it's actually something new that we've done is a new rider training. So we're really trying to, you know, reduce barriers to entry for people that are just wanting to get into the sport, whether that's youth or adult. Give them an opportunity to work with some of our coaches and learn throttle control, or learn balance, you know, weaving in and out. So a really good opportunity for those folks that are just trying to get into the sport. We want to help them do that. We were pretty honored last year to be invited over to England to take 3 riders, a 65 rider, 85 rider, and 125 rider, to race at SuperFinale in front of Motocross of Nations. This year, Motocross of Nations is coming to the States, so we were asked to host it here, which we're really excited about. But it gives us the opportunity to open it up to even more US riders. So where we took 3 last year, we're going to invite 60 Yamaha riders to come and join us, as well as invite some international Yamaha riders to come over and give them an opportunity to race in front of a crowd like they've probably never seen before at Motocross of Nations at Ironman this year.
It's cool for Yamaha to do this for us and support us. Like, for Yamaha to do this for anyone who has owns a Yamaha is awesome. And I think it's a great event to come to, especially with your family, and just enjoy the time you're here.
It's such a good way to bond, you know, within the family, and then you get families together. You know, we did a trophy presentation earlier, and that was so great. All the parents were just happy for every kid. You know, regardless, everyone's cheering everyone, and these kids are so excited, you know, if they get a trophy and, you know, accomplish something like that. So it is truly special.
I don't think there's any other brand doing what we do. I've talked to a few people like, oh, we just switched over to a Yamaha, love the bike, you know, but this is really cool what you're doing. You know, we didn't switch for this, but now that we've switched, we're here and we're enjoying it and we're having a blast.
Regardless of it only being Yamahas, it's just a special event simply because of the atmosphere and us being able to have dinner and work with some of the kids and be able to go out and ride with them. And I mean, obviously it's growing from what we've saw the last couple of years, and I'm starting to hear a lot more about it, so it makes me feel good to be a part of it.